Diana's new kitchen coming in here. And one-man job. So, take a good look at it. Actually, this is her kitchen over here. Yep. That's alright. It'll be all cleaned up. For sure.
Did it work this time?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. You're on camera.
Chow.
No.
She's talking.
That's right. Ready to head in
You have to sort of point. You hope you're getting it.
Is the worker in there?
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, I think.